Today in this video, we are going to writing up programs in Java to print a star pattern. Uh, Without wasting time, I will start the code how to write in Java to printing a star pattern of 5 row and 5 column. First of all, you have to declare, you have to make a class, public class और जो हमारा क्लास का नाम होगा जो हम क्लास का नाम लिखेंगे ना हमें उसी नाम से फाइल को भी सेव करना होगा. This should be noted. Public class pattern 1. Okay. Public main method declare करेंगे public static void main string arguments. This method is mandatory in all programming in Java. Now in this we are going to starting using a for loop, and we are using two for loop, one for rows and another for column. For we are taking an integer int I equal to 1. First of all, we initialize 1, then we will give a condition to how many times I will iterate. Here I will write I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Okay, and now for column and j equal to 1, j less than equal to 5, j plus plus. Okay, and this will for column, right? तो कॉलम के लिए हमारा ये लूप चलेगा, एंड जैसे ही टर्मिनेट होगा हम एक दूसरे लाइन में चले जाएंगे. ठीक है, नहीं जैसे ही हमारा ये कॉलम वाला कंडीशन ट्रू होगा ना तो हम स्टार प्रिंट करेंगे. तो हम प्रिंटिंग के लिए यूज करते हैं सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट प्रिंट एल. ओके, स्टार. जब तक जे का कंडीशन ट्रू होगा हम स्टार को प्रिंट करते जाएंगे. हाँ, यही कंडीशन फॉल्स होगा हम फिर से हम आई वाले लूप पे आएंगे और इसको इंक्रीमेंट करेंगे, आई इज इक्वल टू 2 कर देंगे. ठीक है, फिर से हम जे को 1 से इनिशियलाइज करेंगे. हम इसको ड्राई रन करके भी आपको बताएंगे. ठीक है, और जैसे ही हमारा कंडीशन जे का फॉल्स होगा ना हम सेकेंड लाइन में चले आएंगे. उस लाइन को हम टर्मिनेट करके सेकेंड लाइन में मूव करेंगे और हम आई को इसको अपडेट करेंगे रो को. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से हम आई इज इक्वल टू 2 करेंगे, फिर चेक करेंगे कंडीशन सही है कि नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे कंडीशन तो सही है, तो फिर हम जे में जाएंगे, जे इज इक्वल टू 1 रहेगा. इज 1 लेस देन इक्वल टू 5 है तो स्टार प्रिंट करेंगे. फिर जे को इंक्रीमेंट करेंगे. इज जे टू is 2 less than equal to 5, of course, so again we will printing star and we will go up to 5. After 6, when we reach at termination 6, then you will find that our condition going to false. If the condition is going to false, we will terminate from this loop and we will go to again for row. Again we update I 2 हो गया था इक्वल टू 2, then we move to 3. ठीक है, in this way we can print. Now we will run it. You can see here the star pattern show of 5 row and 5 column. So in this way, you are approaching the concept of for loop, and you are able to printing the star pattern. I hope you are understand very well. Now we are going to making one more file, and file will be pattern. Nice. In this video, we are going to printing factorial number. That factorial factorial dot fact dot java in this way. So we are going to find. So for finding a factorial of any number in Java, first of all, you have to think about what does means of factorial. What are the factorial number? Factorial number is not a very factorial number means to say that if we want to find the factorial of 5, then what we are do? We are just multiplying 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 120. Similarly, when we are going to finding the factorial of 8, what we have to do? We have to just multiplying from 8 to 1. 8 multiplication 7, multiply 6, multiply 5, multiply 4, multiply 3 and so on. ठीक है? तो in this way we can find the multi factorial number of any number. So how to write the code, that is the main task. First of all, you have to declare a class name. We are just starting public class. I have saved the file with fact, so we are write fact, and in this is your class name. Then we are starting a main method. One things I have left. Okay, now public हो गया, and okay, in this we have to basically define the main method, declare the main method, that is public static void main string arguments. Okay, this is your main method. Program execution start from the main method, and we will use string argument is used to receive command line argument. Then we have to declare two integer variable, which is most important for finding a factorial. First one is integer. The variable is of integer data type. We will declare num. We take the variable num. In second, we take facts is equal to 1. It is another variable, and I am storing their value 1. Because whenever we are finding the factorial of any number, we are using by default 1 in any number. That's why we already declared their variable. We are storing the value in the variable. Okay, now we are using one more things. We have to use scanner function, right? scanner function for user input, for taking user input, scanner new scanner system dot in, and this is defined in our java dot util package. This line uh, are defined in our import करना होगा. Basically we have to import it. Import java dot util dot scanner. सब गलत क्या हो रहा है स्कैनर. हमारा जो ये फंक्शन जो होता है ना इनपुट वाला, ये हमारे इस पैकेज में डिफाइन है जावा के यूटिल पैकेज में. ओके, you are understanding well what I want to say. Now our next approach is to basically printing the number, right? We are going to one more step, that is get system dot out dot print ln. We are enter a number. Okay, enter a number and we are in there. Okay, now we are using a loop to finding how much we have to iterate any loop. Now we are again declare num is equal to sc dot next int. This is a function which we use to read the whatever the users are entering a number through keyboard, that will be stored in num. That's why we using this function next int. All right. Now I hope you are understanding till here. Now we can use the for loop for and I equal to 1, I less than equal to num, I plus plus. फिर हमारा जो फैक्ट्स है FACT फैक्ट इक्वल टू फैक्ट इंटू वाई. देखिए इसमें क्या क्या रहा है, देखिए उसको बताते हैं इसमें क्या हो रहा है. जैसे देखिए लेट से हमको 5 का फैक्टोरियल फाइंड करना है, ठीक है. आई जो हमारा 1 से स्टार्ट होगा और चेक करें क्या 1 लेस देन इक्वल टू 5 है. हाँ है. तो अब क्या होगा ना, हमारे फैक्ट्स आई है तो फैक्ट्स पहले हम बाय डिफॉल्ट 1 स्टोर किए हुए हैं, ठीक है. और 1 इंटू 1 क्या 1 हो जाएगा. इसको हम कॉमेंट लाइन में लिख दें तो आपका पहला 1 हो जाएगा, ठीक है. इतना काम हो गया. उसके बाद आ फिर से हम इसको अपडेट करेंगे. आई प्लस प्लस इंक्रीमेंट होगा 2. इज 2 लेस देन 5. हाँ है. इस बार हो जाएगा फैक्ट्स में आपके पास अब 1 हो गया और आई आपका 2 है. इस बार हो जाएगा 1 हो जाएगा. फिर आपका हो जाएगा ये 1 इंटू 2, ठीक है. इस बार हो गया 2. फिर अपडेट करेंगे इसको तो इस बार हो जाएगा 3 इंटू 2 3 हो जाएगा आपका आई. और इसमें क्या 2 है 6. नहीं समझे. बता रहे एक बार इसको देखिए. इसको एक बार देखिए, रन करके देख लेते हैं। फैक्ट्स हो गया ये आपका, यहाँ तक ठीक है। यहाँ पे हम एक और आ, एक आपको आउटपुट में शो होगा ना, फैक्टोरियल ऑफ नंबर इज कितना आया 5 का। इस तरह का एक बनाने के लिए आपको एक सिस्टम में सिस्टम प्रिंट एल, ठीक है, फैक्टोरियल ऑफ num is facts, facts हो गया। चलो इसको रन करते हैं। एरर कुछ आ रहा है, देखते हैं क्या एरर है। Here I am missing a semicolon, that's why I think it's so unexpected error. I think now it will be okay. Yes, enter number, yes, I will show 5. Why I'm not able to? So, and then problem is here. First of all, we need to open terminal. Then we have to write java c fact.java, then java fact. Then I think I am able to uh, do our task. Whatever v number we can take, I will find their factorial. Enter number, I think 5. It should be 120. Factorial of 5 is 120. I hope you are understanding. And but I will explain how it work. First of all, we need to go in terminal. Then we have to write java c, name of the file dot java, and press enter. Then again we have to write java file of name and press enter. Then you will show enter a number, it is 5, and we will able to finding the factorial of 5 is 120. Okay, I hope you will understand very well. Now again we are making one more file, and in this file we are going to printing the Fibonacci series. So just make one more file, and the file name is fibo dot java, and now we are going to do a Fibonacci series, how to write their code in Fibonacci series. So let's start. First of all, you have to declare util package, जावा का util package को हमको import करना होगा, तभी हम स्कैनर फंक्शन को हम यूज कर सकते हैं. We start with import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, then we are declaring class name public class. I have saved with fibo, and we have to declare main method public void main string arguments. And in this we have obviously using, I have declared a java.util package for using input scanner For input, you have to declare scanner SC. You have to create the object of this class, scanner SC new scanner system dot in. Okay, this is the way how to write. Then we are using a quickly system dot out dot println. uh, we have to write enter number of terms, enter number of term, right? Then end with semicolon, or we have to take an variable which is a integer data type, and we take some input, so we using a next input function. Next, and initially we have two number, int, and we have to assign that number in a variable. A is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. Okay, and we use system dot out dot print ln, system dot out dot print ln, and we have to write a Fibonacci series. Okay, we end this semicolon. All right, and we required one loop for and I is equal to 1, I less than equal to and I plus plus. We have to write system out dot system dot println, not println but print a and with semicolon, and c is equal to a plus b, and with semicolon, a equal to b and b equal to c, and here we are using a sc dot close function. Okay, uh, then let's save it, and it will we have to run it. Yes, but why it not so?